Hey guys, this is your how-to video for how to complete your math independent activity for Thursday, December 3rd. So here's how you find it. I'm on Google Classroom and I'm on Classwork. I need to check the correct week of November 30th through December 4th. Then I need to find the one that says Thursday, December 3rd, Math Independent Assignment, and I need to click on it. So what you'll notice is that the video that I'm making right now will be posted right here. Please click on it and watch it. Then you're going to complete the assignment, come back to Google Classroom and turn it in. Please note that this is due by Thursday, December 3rd at midnight, and it is worth 5 points. So the first thing you'll do is click on it. And in this lesson, the students will learn how to compare how many times larger digits are based on their place in the place value chart. So I've got this number, 437,308 and 451 thousandths. So what I notice is that the 3 in the hundreds place is 100 times smaller than the 3 in the 10,000s place, or the 3 in the 10,000s place is 100 times larger than the 3 in the hundreds place. And I know that because each digit is 10 times larger than the digit that was before it. So the 3 in the hundreds place is 10 times smaller than the 7 in the thousands, which is 10 times smaller than the 3 in the 10,000 spot. You can also think about the value. The value of this 3 is 30,000 and the value of this 3 is 300. So you could divide that to figure out how many times smaller or larger it is depending on how you look at it. So let me model one right here. It says compare the 3 in the hundreds place to the 3 in the tenths place. So I'm comparing this 3 to this 3. Okay, so if each digit is 10 times smaller or larger, depending on how you look at it, I'm comparing the small place to the larger place, so it's going to be 10 times larger. So from the tenths to the ones, that's 10 times larger. From the ones to the tens, that's another 10 times larger. So that's 100 times larger than the 3 in the tenths. And then the tens to the hundreds is 10 times more. So that's 10, 100, 1,000. This 3 in the hundreds place is 1,000 times larger than the 3 in the tenths place. So now what you're going to do is first you're going to read what it says. It says to compare the 8 in the ones place to the 8 in the tenths place. So what you're going to do is you can move the arrow to show your hops. Then you can move this piece to show how many times larger it is. So how many times larger is the 8 in the tenths place to the 8 in the ones place? Well, it's only one hop, one place value over, so it is 10 times larger. And you're just going to type that in, okay? When you're done, you're going to complete this one and this one. Then you're going to come back to the assignment, view assignment, and turn it in. Again, this is due by Thursday, December 3rd at midnight.